Johnson.
No, Chissy Johnson.
Who shows that I'm going to
No, 4,000 was.
Yes, ma. Papa there. Trick is I want it. What's in here? Trick. Stop what happened from her. That says rascal papa. I'm fucking Yari. Trick. 1 and 2. If you get to be able to production. S Media. Our Accra. Square. The Spice Store. Accra. In a Kumasi. On your Cantamanto. Productions are my friend.
Everything's bubble clot.
Bombo na to ye no. Ene bi si kakaliba ni tirimu a. Oba ya wo hia panyinu. Abofru. No me mani mo sise de. Ya du kushin bo abofo. Shit me baby.
Senior, I am Soma. The papa saw you,
No, you don't play with nigger like me. You understand? You don't fuck with me. We're America, and I'm gonna nigga. What's this your nigga?
I never swear me. You're not taking some pattern was in him. Production Accra in the Edum Kumasi. The Spice Store Accra in the Kumasi. Freddy's Corner Sunyane in the Obolo Films the Chiman. Nadia, Safom.
Grabbing it young one pay. One finish and Kriya.
Tears fill up my eyes, cascade into the ground. The pain within in my heart, a love once had betrayed. 'Cause my heart took right, so I asked the question why. The heart of man so unkind, a devil in disguise. Love is not enough to set me free.
You back from your evening school, huh?
Yes, Nana.
You do this every day to keep fit, right?
It refreshes me. Do you care for a ring?
Oh, why not? Okay. My mind, I don't get in any younger. Yeah, there's a lot to read from the deadline. Yeah, you are there. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes.
Nana, there's something that has been on my mind that I would like to discuss with you.
What is this?
Well, ever since you and Jasmine moved in here, she has done a marvelous job. She has perfectly fit in as a replacement for my late wife.
In fact, that is how they were raised. Same charisma, the same drive, same knack for perfection. And I guess they inherited it from their mother.
Just being curious, Nana. Do you know whether or not Jasmine is in any relationship?
Jasmine is not a baby anymore, so I wouldn't be surprised. But I suspect she's dating someone around my neighborhood.
I would like to discuss Jasmine's marriage. Let me rephrase this. I see Jasmine as a perfect replica of Princess. She is the ideal woman to take care of my son. To crown it, she seemed to be someone with the quality of being a good wife. It is for this reason that I want to marry.
Hold that word right there. Don't let it drop out of your mouth. You want to marry your wife's sister. What are you thinking, Dave? And you think me and my family will agree to such an abomination? Ha! Look, take it that we never discussed this issue. And if I were you, I will raise this completely out of my mind. And lest I forget, Jasmine says she's coming to introduce her fiancé to me soon. Very soon.
Adrian, look at Daddy. Everything okay?
Yeah, but you're doing pretty well with this boy, you know.
Thank you. You look very good.
What is his name?
Who?
Your friend. Nana said you have a friend who wants to.
Leo. Yeah, his name is Leo, Uncle.
Leo.
Yeah.
I see. Anyway, when were you going to tell me about this guy?
Tonight, actually. Well, I was going to tell you that he wants to meet with us, Daddy and I, and I'll be very, very happy if you can come along as well.
Sure, I would like to look into the eyes of the hunter who has grabbed my angel. Anyway, I'm looking forward to meeting him. You let him know that.
I will not tell him. Uncle, can I get you something to eat?
No, I'm all right for now.
This is my dad, Nana Boatin, my uncle, Major David Johnson. Uncle, Dad. This is my boyfriend, Leonardo Bentley.
Nice to meet you, sir.
And my son.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir. You have a very, very pretty daughter.
Thank you.
Major, I've heard so much about you. It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Thank you. What did you say the name is?
Leo Bentley.
What do you do for a living?
Well, I'm a civil engineer by profession, except right now I'm unemployed.
Why?
Actually, it's a really long story, but the short of it is I got in a little fight with my employers and I got fired.
Very irresponsible.
I totally agree. I mean, it was so irresponsible on their part, but at the end of the day, there was nothing I could do about it.
I am not referring to your employers. I'm referring to your irresponsibility.
Sorry? I don't understand.
Listen, I take an exception to employees who disobey their superiors. The rule is that you obey before you complain. But you got yourself into a mess.
But I was only standing up for the right of a co-worker. That's it.
But you still got yourself in a mess. That's the rule. That's the point. You were irresponsible. That's what I mean. Tell me, is that the way you're going to come into the family and pick up fights with everybody?
Uncle Dave!
Jasmine, I'm sorry, but I thought we were coming here to meet a gentleman and a very responsible person, but I'm totally disappointed.
Daddy, can we just take the order?
Why not?
Excuse me. I know. But what happened and we can't erase that, can we?
I know. But your uncle just hates me. For no reason. I don't get it.
What for? Why would he hate you?
I don't know. You tell me. I have no idea. But I know one thing for sure. From the very first time I met him, I could feel the hatred. I could just feel it. It was oozing out of his breath.
Dave hates you? No, I don't think so. Why would he hate you? He doesn't even know you. And I felt like by what you did, you actually offended my father.
That's it. That's it. He's only trying to humiliate me in front of your dad. That's his plan.
To achieve what? Tell me.
I don't know. But that's what I'm about to find out. I have to find out.
Oh, come on. Junior. Oh. Junior, stop it. I'm going like that. Come on. Hi, Dave. Yeah, I just finished watching Junior and I decided to get something from the outside. So I want to leave him with you for a while. But Nana, why are you the one bathing Junior? Where's Jasmine? Well, she went out to see Leo and it's not back yet. She went to see Leo? Yeah. But she never told me. Nana, why she should leave Junior in your care? I mean, that's not proper. Dave. No, I'm surprised, Nana. It's not appropriate. I mean, see, he's crying all over. Yeah. I'll cool him down a little before leaving. Junior.
How did you find this place?
This is my town. I choose where I go to and who I want to see.
Aren't you content humiliating me? Are you not satisfied?
Young man, you humiliated yourself.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
From the very first day that I met you, I could feel your hatred. Question is, why?
You know what? I can cut you down for opening your mouth this wide.
I have been asking myself why you decided to humiliate me. Why? Are you protecting Jasmine from me? You hardly know me. You don't. But I think I get the answer. You feel very threatened. You are threatened that you're going to lose Jasmine to me. That's what it is. You know Jasmine is with me because she loves me. She's with me. She's going to marry me, and you are scared of that.
Hold it there. Hold it there. Listen. Stay clear of Jasmine. And that's her father's decision. I advise you to leave town before you get into a bigger trouble.
Are you threatening me?
No. I'm just giving you a very friendly advice. Take note.
Shut up! Keep quiet! Shut up over there! Shut up! Shut up! Will you shut up? Or we best... Stop! Let's go!
Love is not enough. To set me free. Evil's lurking in the dark. Oh, son of mischief. Oh, I feel the hurt. A broken dream, man.
I don't know, Uncle. I don't know who would want to hurt him. I'm so scared.
He'll be alright. He'll be alright.
No, who could do such a thing to him?
He'll be alright. He'll be alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Baby. Hey, are you okay? You're back.
Thank God. He has at last opened his eyes.
Hey.
How is that patient doing?
Doctor, he has regained consciousness.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Well, the results carried out on him before the treatment are out. So it's necessary I discuss it with a family member or a next of kin?
Well, he's my daughter's friend. And the fact that we are here shows that we wish him well.
Okay. And why don't we step to the corridors? Well, it's necessary I ask a few questions. You are a friend of the patient, right?
Yes. Well, actually, he's my boyfriend.
Has he had any history of violent behavior?
No. None that I can recall. What is wrong, doctor? What has this got to do with the result of the test?
Well, I'm sorry. Traces of cocaine were found in the blood.
What? Cocaine? Oh, no, doctor. That's impossible.
Madam, that's the harsh truth. We did a rerun on the B sample and the results are still the same.
But doctor, Leo? Cocaine?
Madam, I'm very sorry. He's asleep.
Do this to me? How could you? I thought you were different, so I trusted you, and this is what I get?
Jazz, I don't know what the doctors are talking about. I don't do drugs. I have no idea.
Oh, shut up, Leo. Shut up. You're lying, always have been. You know what? You stay the hell away from me.
Jazz, I don't do drugs. Jazz!
Of all the men in the whole of Ghana, my daughter brings home a cocaine addict for a boyfriend. What more can go wrong? What more?
Nana, I will want to say you take it easy. Looking at that boy's behavior, I don't see anything that gives him away as an addict. If it had not come from the doctor, I wouldn't believe it.
Please, Dave, don't take sides in this.
I'm not taking sides. All I'm trying to say is that we both did not see that sort of behavior. And Jasmine did not see that too. Because she is in love and love is blind.
Well, reality has made her to see the junkie she is parading around town as her boyfriend. I don't want to see that boy around you ever again. Do I make myself clear? Do I?
Yes. Yes, Daddy.
So Daddy is very angry now. When he's calmer, we'll talk to him.
No, Uncle. There's no need to talk to him. The results were clear.
Hi, sweetie. I love you. Can you please pick up the phone? Hi, sweetie. I love you. Can you please pick up the phone?
So Leo, do you want to talk to him?
Hi, sweetie. I love you. Can you please pick up the phone?
hell are you doing here?
Baby, you need to believe me. I have no idea of what is happening. Absolutely not. But I know your uncle has a part to play.
How dare you mention him? Is he the one that put a drug in your blood? Huh? You know, all you're trying to do right now is to drag an innocent and responsible man into your mess, and you should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm not ashamed of myself. I would not be ashamed to fight for the truth. And this is the truth. Your uncle is obsessed with you. He's madly in love with you, and he would do anything to humiliate me in front of your father. That has been the plan.
I am not going to stand here and listen to this rubbish.
Jazz, you have to listen to me. Please. David eats, sleeps, and breathes you every day. It's turned him into an animal.
All right, now leave.
Jazz.
Leave.
Jazz, please.
I'm asking you to leave.
Just hear me out. Jazz. Just hear me out.
Let go of my hand.
Hear me out.
Let go of my hand and leave. I want you to leave and never come back.
Jazz. Jasmine. Jasmine. Jasmine.
How are you? You look worried. You are worried. You have to stop worrying now. Because I think Leo did not mean to humiliate himself in front of the family. I'll talk to your dad about that and we'll see what we'll do. But I would suggest that you advise him to go back home. And then when tension has gone down, he comes back.
I guess you're right, Uncle.
Yes, ma'am. I will ensure that he gets home safely, okay? Good.
Thank you, Uncle.
Have you had lunch? Are you hungry? I'll cook you something nice, okay?
Okay.
All right.
You're nothing else but life. Love is not enough. To set me
Hello? Johnson here. Whom am I speaking with?
This is Leo. Dave, you speaking to Leo. Nice try. Okay? Making arrangements so that I can get out of town. Making yourself look good. But sorry, buddy. I came to Accra to get Jasmine. And I'm not leaving without her.
What the hell did you get my number from?
The same way that you got to know where I live. David, isn't it strange how you're so protective of your sister-in-law? Is that not strange? Or is that more to say than you're willing to admit? I think there is.
What are you talking about here?
Cut the crap, Dave. Cut the crap. We are two grown men, but you hate the idea of her being another man's arm, and you know that is true. And as we speak, I've come to realize that you are totally obsessed with your own sister-in-law.
Look, I don't know where you're getting your information from. I think you're getting crazy.
No, Dave, you are the crazy one. You are totally crazy. And you've been doing everything in your power to discredit me because you feel I'm in love with her and I'm a threat to you. I'm sorry, buddy. You missed a little detail. You underestimated the power of a man in love.
I see. Brace up, young man. And I hope you're ready for the game you want to enter into.
That young man is not about to become my final chapter. No. I have to do something or everything I have done will amount to nothing. Jasmine, can I have a word with you? I just want to express my gratitude to you for all that you've done for me since you came in here. Your presence has actually helped us forget about Princess because you have adequately taken her place.
Uncle, I don't understand when you say I have adequately taken my sister's place.
Okay, let me explain myself better. You are a perfect replacement for Princess. Junior loves you, and it is natural that I will love you too. I have spoken to Nana about my intentions to make you take Princess's place in this house.
I still don't understand what you're trying to say.
Yeah, you still don't understand. Jasmine. All I'm trying to say is that you are a perfect replacement for Princess. Listen, I desire to make you the lady of this house, okay? I am prepared to give you whatever you want in life and even more. Look, I don't want your dad to lack anything in life, not at all. And I'm doing this because I want to continue to extend the love I have for Princess, for you and for your dad. Do you understand?
Uncle, excuse me.
Hey, freeze! Mr. Hyde. What do you want? I want to see Colonel Ansan.
What's the problem
It's
then?
clear. I want to see Colonel Ansan, sir.
What for?
It concerns Major David Johnson, please.
Let him in.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm so sorry for bursting into your house like this, but I'm a very desperate man and I need your help.
Young man, I hope whatever the problem is worth risking your life for. And now, what about Major Johnson?
Sir, whatever I have to tell you about him is very important. Can I tell you in private, please?
In private?
Yes, sir. Your uncle is obsessed with you. He's madly in love with you and he will do anything to humiliate me in front of your father. That has been the plan.
All I'm trying to say is that you are a perfect replacement for Princess. Listen, I desire to make you the lady of this house, okay? I am prepared to give you whatever you want in life and even more. Look, I don't want your dad to lack anything in life, not at all. And I'm doing this because I want to continue to extend the love I have for Princess, for you and for your dad.
What is going on here? Uncle Dave is talking funny and in circles. But what he's saying is the exact thing Leo is warning me about. Could it be that Leo is truly innocent and that he's being set up? But about the drugs found in his bloodstream, how did it get there? Oh God, please help me out of this one, please. I'm so confused and afraid.
Major Johnson. Relax.
Yes. Thank you.
I can see you are so engulfed in that picture. Who is she? Your sister-in-law?
Yes, sir.
A certain young man almost got himself killed yesterday in my house in his quest to get my attention. I think he's Leo by name. You know him?
I do, sir. He's a drug addict running around Jasmine, my sister-in-law. And as a brother-in-law, I felt I had to protect her from him.
Are you protecting her from him because he's a drug addict? Or you want the girl for yourself? And you used your position as an officer to oppress him?
Nothing of the sort, sir.
Major Johnson, from what I saw, I believe the boy is right. And you are obsessed with the girl.
Sir, I don't think you have to believe the words of a drug addict.
How can I be sure that you have no hand in the attack carried on him and the cocaine found in his blood?
Colonel, sir, I have no hand in this.
Well, I'm setting up an investigation team. It's up to you to prove your innocence.
Yes, sir.
Well, Major Johnson, see me tomorrow morning in my office. Have a good day.
Sir, the target has been hit. Good. Good job. Good riddance to rubbish.
Daddy, I know it may sound strange and unbelievable, but it is the truth. Dave isn't human in any way. He is a monster. He has his eyes set on Jasmine. He wants her. Daddy! 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 Daddy!
What is it? This is Princess handwriting. How did you get this?
It was under the cupboard.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I can't believe this.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I came across Dave's diary.
Their bedroom. Their bedroom. Come on, let's go.
I put a crippling poison in her juice, muffled her with a plastic bag, She stopped breathing. End of story.
You are a beast! You tortured my daughter and killed her in cold blood. You will pay for this. I swear you will pay for it. You will pay for this. Princess!
Daddy, we can't stay here. We have to go report this to the police.
They will pay for this.
Let's go. I'm going to get Junior.
Hello. Hi, Jasmine. You sure? Are you alright?
Yeah.
Really? On second thought, Jasmine, can you get me a glass of water?
Huh?
Water. I am thirsty.
You beast! My daughter sacrificed her life for you in prison, and yet you murdered her in cold blood. You are sick, Dave. Sick! And you deserve to...
Where's my father?
I don't know. You tell me. Now you think you can expose me, isn't it? Hey, Jasmine! Hey! Jasmine, come here! Jasmine, I want to talk to you. Open the door. Jasmine, open the door.
You're right about Uncle Dave. He's trying to kill me right now. I need you to go to the house now. Please, just get out.
Jasmine. Jasmine, open this door. Listen, I love you so much, okay? I love you, Jasmine, I love you. Everything I did because of you.
Jasmine! Security! Jasmine! 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 Jasmine!
Tears fill up my eyes, cascade into the ground. The pain within in my heart, a love once had betrayed.